Multi-factor authentication, sometimes referred to as two-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of authentication setup for agents when they log into the help desk. Once they correctly submit their username and password, they will be required to submit a token to finish logging into the help desk. In this tutorial, we will go over how to configure Google two-factor authentication in osTicket. In order to use Google two-factor authentication as your default 2FA method, you will need to download the Google Authenticator app on a mobile device. Check the links in the description for where to get the app for Android and iPhone. First, you need to make sure you enable the plugin. I've put a link in the description for a previous video on how to install an osTicket plugin as well. After the plugin is enabled, agents are able to configure Google Authenticator from their profile. First, we need to configure Google Authenticator. From here, you see a QR code that you will need to scan in the Google Authenticator app. Click the Begin Setup button and then scan barcode. Hold your phone up to the QR code on your computer to scan it. Now you should see a code in the app that changes every few seconds. Put the code displayed into osTicket. Now Google 2FA is configured as a default 2FA method and can be chosen in the drop-down. Now, when the agent goes to log into the help desk, they will have to put in the code from the Google Authenticator app to complete their login. That wraps up this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel. For the latest osTicket news, check the links in the description. As always, thanks for watching.